In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation bar in Base44. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's functionality and user experience. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create a navigation bar, but you'll also understand how to make it appear consistently across all your pages. Let's dive in. To begin with, the first step is to create the pages that you want featured in your navigation menu. These are essential as they'll form the backbone of the navigation bar. Start by creating the home page, which will most likely be the default landing page for your visitors. Next, create an About page. This is where you'll convey your story or the mission behind your site. Moving on, you'll need a Services page. This is crucial for highlighting the core offerings or features you provide. Lastly, set up a Contact page. This ensures that visitors have a direct way to reach you, be it through email, phone, or a web form. As you create these pages in Base44, you'll notice that routes such as Home, About, and Contact are automatically assigned. This makes it easier to manage and reference each page as you progress. Now with your pages in place, it's time to move on to the next step, which involves asking Base44 to create the navigation bar for you. In the Base44 AI chat, you'll want to input a prompt that is both clear and specific. Something like, add a header navigation bar with links to Home, About, Services, and Contact. This command tells the AI to set up a structured and organized menu featuring the pages you've just created. Additionally, you can instruct Base44 to place your logo on the left of the navigation bar. Not only does this reinforce brand presence, but it also adds a touch of professionalism to your site. Also, don't forget to make the navigation bar responsive. This is incredibly important as it ensures that your site maintains usability on various devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones. The final step involves making sure that this navigation bar appears on every page of your website. Sometimes the navigation bar might only show up on one page, which is not ideal. Consistency is key when it comes to user experience. Therefore, if you notice this inconsistency, simply instruct Base44 with a command like, add the header navigation to all pages in the app. This ensures visitors can easily navigate through your site no matter which page they're on, enhancing the overall usability and efficiency of your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully built a navigation bar with Base44. It's now ready to guide your visitors seamlessly through your site. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your web development journey.